Hi class, I hope you're having an amazing day. So this is week 5. So week 5, we have been doing this for 5 weeks, learning this way. And you've been doing amazing at it. I'm so proud of every single one of you. So today what you're going to need, you are going to need your whiteboard or something to write on. You are going to need your dictionary. You are going to need to get your packet that I already pulled my purple out of it, but the number 5. So find your packet that has a number 5 on it, pull out the purple. You are going to need that. You're going to need that. But we are going to do where I'm going to do some lessons, and then I'm going to give you all the instructions for your book, for you to do today. Because remember, what is our biggest thing that we're working on? We're working on making sure that we can hear all the instructions, storing those instructions, and then doing it all solo. Okay? So we are going to start trying to do that more and more and more. Okay? So that is what we're going to be doing today. So let's get ready. I hope you're ready because I am ready. So you do need something to write on. You do need something to write on. So always remember, if you need to get something, you gotta go to the bathroom, want a little snack, push the pause button and then come back. So, but make sure you come back. Don't like leave me waiting for you and wondering where you went. Okay, so I am going to say some words. I'm gonna say some words and you are going to spell these words. So you're gonna spell those words. I'm gonna write them on the whiteboard. So our goal is to get to 10 points. Our goal is to get to 10 points. So you are going to be writing these words and let's see how good we do. Tally marks, 10 points. I think you guys got it. Okay, so my first word is cop. Cop. And I'm not going to say it as slow as I used to say it because I want you to do that. That's your job now. Your job is to say it slower, break it into the pieces. There's 3 letters in that word. Cop. It is Katina Cat. So I'm going to write it also. Okay, here we go. Cop. C-O-P. Op. Okay, if you got that one, tally mark. Okay, our next word, man. Man. Now remember, we also are working on our handwriting, so make sure that all these 3 letters should be touching the middle to the bottom. Okay, none above, none below. Man, M-A-N. If you got that, go over to your tally mark area and you are at 2 points. 2 points is the most you can have. It is going to be 2 or less. 2 or less, can't have more than 2 because I haven't done more than 2. Okay, next word, jug. Jug. I think they're getting ready to do our lawn behind us, so I am going to need to close our window. So let me close that. Sorry about that. That way we didn't hear like the lawnmower. Jug. Jug. The first letter definitely goes below the line. So make sure the first and the last go below the line. Okay, here is jug. J-U-G. Tally point 3. Word, log. Log. L-O-G, log. Good job. You guys are doing amazing at this. Even with me not saying it very slow, you're able to know you can hear those sounds, which is amazing. You're definitely going to need that next year. Okay, ready? Word, rip. Rip. I have a rip in my pants. Rip. Okay. R-I-P, rip. Okay. If you've got every single one of these right so far, you are going to be sliding down. So you'll be sliding down. So you have a group of 5 now. You have your group of 5. Ready? Word, cut. It is Katina Cat. Cut. I need to cut the paper. Cut. Okay. C-U-T. C-U-T. Cut. Word, sad. I am sad that I don't get to see you guys. Sad. Sad. Okay. S-A-D. S-A-D, sad. Ready? Word, So we are at 7. 7 points is the most you can have. Word, rod. Rod. Okay. R-O-D, rod. We're at 8. We have tally marks. We have 5, a group of 5, and 3 ones, and that would be coal in a math problem. You're right. 5 plus 3 equals 8. You're not, some of you, if you have something different than the 8 and you have something less, then yeah, your math problem would be different than mine. Okay, the next word, hen. Hen. Okay. H-E-N, hen. We are at 9. Colin, can you tell me the math problem for our tally marks? Okay. Colin said 5 plus 4, and that's what he had. He had the 9 points, so he had the 5 plus 4 equals 9. If he had a different tally marks, then his answer could have been different than ours, or different than someone else's, just because it's what you have on yours. But 5 plus the 4 is the 9. Good job, Colin. Okay, your last one. Last one. Let's see who's going to get the number 10. 10 points. Awesome. Mat. This one should be super easy because it's from the at family, which was way back in September. Okay. Who went M-A-T? Mat. Mat. Okay. And I've slid down. So I have my 5 plus my 5 equals my 10. We have finished that part. Great job, great job. Now we're going to keep on going. We're going to keep on going. Now this week, our letter this week is V. V as in Vincent Vampire Bat. Okay, so I want you to write a V on, just to see. Your capital and your lowercase should look exactly the same. The difference is one is a capital, one is big, one is small. Okay, so I'm going to write mine. So I want you to write yours too. Write a capital, write a lowercase, and then you're going to check. I'm going to show you mine. Say, yay, that's how I wrote it. Or, oops, I didn't even touch the line. I'm too below. That way we can see. Okay, so here it is. This is our letter this week. V or Vincent Vampire Bat. V. So I am going to be giving you 5 words. 5 words. And some have a silent E, so they have a long vowel in them. Okay, so ready? My first word is vote. You get to vote for who you want to be president when, Hannah? Yep, you're right. When you are 18 years or older. What else? A citizen of the United States. What if you're not a citizen of the United States? What if you weren't born in the United States? Right, Hannah? You can take a test to become a citizen of the United States, and then you would be able to vote. You would be able to vote for who you wanted to be president, or you could be voting on many different things. So our first word is vote, silent at the end. Okay, who got that one? Awesome job, great job, class. Tally number 1, going for my 5. Next word is vet. If my animal is not feeling good, I'm going to take them to the vet. The vet is like the hospital for the dogs. It's where the dogs go, or not just dogs, your animals are going to go there. Vet. This does not have a long vowel because you can hear eh, 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 eh. So make sure there's no silent at the end. Okay? V-E-T. Great job. I am not getting anybody today. Okay, so our next word, vase. So if you got some flowers or your mom got some flowers, they're going to put it in a vase that has water in it. So vase. This does, listen, V-A. You're hearing the A, so at the end, there's going to be silent. And do you remember, Jocelyn, what is that silent? I'm always talking about a silent. Yes, it is the silent E at the end. And this is what Jocelyn got. V-A-S-E, vase. Okay, ready? So my next word is vine. Grapes grow on a vine. vine. Listen again, V-I-I-N. So there's a long I, meaning silent at the end, silent at the end. And this is what Madeline got, V-I-N-E. So I am now at 4 tally marks. I'm going for my number 5, going for my number 5. Are you ready, Alexandra? This one has a special blend at the end. So we got a blend at the end. Okay, ready? This word is vest. Vest. So it's got st at the end. Vest. If you are going to, like, say if you're going to go out, and I saw Barrett, he had went out onto the river, and so he was wearing a vest, a life vest. He was wearing a life vest. Some people can wear a vest, like clothes. They can wear a vest, that's part of their clothes. But if you're going out onto water, especially on boats and stuff, you do need to wear a life vest to keep you safe. And I saw that, so that was awesome. Glad to see you were nice and safe, Barrett. Okay, so vest. Let's see. V-E, and remember here, here's that one, S-T. S-T, that was a really crazy little line I was making under there, S-T. So I have slid down, I have made my 5. So how many have made 5? Wow, look at all those hands up. Amazing. Awesome job. Awesome, awesome. Okay, we're gonna just keep on going like a train. Just keep on going, keep on going. So I'm gonna take down my, it's math time. Hope you're ready. I'm ready for some math. I was trying to find my lid. There's my handy dandy lid. So I'm going to take down my, and we'll find out what kind of math does Mrs. Sievert want to do today. Okay, are you ready? Bum, 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 bum. Here it comes. Bum, dun, dun. Yep, it's the 10 frame. 10 frame is here. You are right, Shane. 10 frame. We got the 10 frame. So let me make sure you can see the 10 frame. I'm thinking it's all there. So I have my 10, but I'm turning it into a math problem. So I'm taking my 10 frame plus a 10 frame equals da-da. So you are going to still continue to need something to write on because we're not doing anything in pages yet. This is just getting us all ready. Everything I'm showing you today is in your packet, but you're doing it solo. I'm giving instructions and off you go. You're going to be doing amazing things. Okay, so here we go. So I'm not even going to show you. I'm not even going to give an example. Yep, because you know that's what I do. I want you to make this a math problem for me. I know. Can you do it? Let's see. I'm going to make it. Let's see if you made it. So looking with your eyes, what do you see for this to be a math problem? Math problem meaning an adding problem. Making an adding problem. There are clues because you can see my plus sign and my equal sign. And I want you to have the answer too. This was a little challenging one because it was kind of funny. Okay, are you ready to see what I put? Hope you got something. Okay, so we know this is a what? What is this over here, Olivia? That is a 10. So we know 10 plus, how many was on this one, Olivia? None, 0. So 0 equals. So here is my math problem. Let's see how many of you got this without any examples. 10 plus 0 equals 10. Wow, almost every single person got it. I thought that was going to be a little challenging with no, you guys are storing it all in there, and that's amazing. So proud of you. Okay, so you ready? Now, since we know what we're doing, I'm going to change it up. Let's do. We're going to go for 5. That one wasn't, we're not going to count that one. It's 1. We're going to start now. Starting now. Okay, here we go. Write me the adding problem to this. Okay, remember you're doing this. And remember, when it's full, it is what, Peter? It's a 10 automatically. You don't even have to count. No, it's a 10. It's full. It's a 10 frame. Plus how many, Peter? 2 equals, yeah, that's what he said, 12. So 10 plus 2 equals 12. If that's what you wrote, tally mark on the side. Tally mark number 1. Okay, ready? Ooh, and I guess I am kind of changing up my colors there. That's just kind of what was on my pan. Okay, Barrett, this is yours. Okay. Okay. 10 plus 5 equals 15. Good job, Barrett. Okay, so that was 2. Now I'm going to go a little more challenging. Okay, so this, you're definitely going to, you might need to be counting it. If you remember, if the whole top row, that's 5, keep going. So how this plus this, okay? Okay, Beverly. What'd you get, Beverly? Good job. Okay, so we have over here, she 5, 6, 7, 8 plus her 3. Oops, sorry. Keep erasing mine with my finger. There we go. So we have the 8 plus 3 equals 11. 8 plus 3 equals 11. Okay, let's see. Ooh, what about this one, Oliver? We have our 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 plus 3 equals 8. Great job. Okay, Cole. You're right. 5 plus 5 equals 10. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Okay, so that is my slide down. There's my slide down on that. So great job, great job. Okay, so yeah, you're right. So yep, Colin, that is going to be in your book, in your packet today. That's going to be in your packet today. So let me take down really quickly my handy dandy 10 frames with those. Let me get those. Okay. I am going to write a number. And what I want to know is what comes before and what comes after my number. Okay, you ready? So if you need, you do have this chart. So you remember you have this in there. So you could use this. This goes up to 30. Some of you have your name tag. You can use that. Some of you, you might have, here's this here if you need that chart. Those are things you can get really quickly. You can push pause and you can get those. Some of you, it might just be here. So whatever is best for you. Remember, what works for you. It does not matter what your friend is doing next to you, which might be a family member. It doesn't matter what they're doing. How they learn is going to be different than how you learn. So what I always tell you is do what's best for your learning. What is going to help you store it in your brain? Because guess what? You are who you are, and you are an amazing person, and you can store so many amazing things in there. So just make sure you do that. Okay, ready? Here we go. So this is going to be, and then I want to know what comes before and what comes after. So if I was doing that on my whiteboard, I'm going to write the number in the middle, so then that way it gives me room on both sides, before and gives me room on the after. Okay, so who did 14 and 16? Great job. Okay, ready? Oops, let me get it. That one was definitely a little easier. Okay, who did their 8 and their 10? Great job. Okay, who did their 16 and then their 18? Great job. Oh, I might have one bigger than the pink paper. Let's see how you do on that. Who went with their 29 and their 31? Great job. One last one. One last one. Okay, I got a few on this one. Yes, your number, I know what you're thinking here in your brain, definitely was the right answer, but when you wrote it backwards. And so when you wrote it backwards, flipping your numbers, it changed it. So this is what it would be. 12, 13, and then my 14. So my 12 and my 14. But some of you, so this is the 12, but some of you, when you wrote your 12, you wrote a 2 and a 1. Now remember, whenever you do a 2 and a 1, that is 21. So 21 is definitely different than 12. 21 has 2 sticks of 10 and 1 cube. 12 has 1 stick of 10 and 2 cubes. So there's definitely a difference between those two. Definitely a difference between those two. Okay, so here we go. It's instruction time. Instructions. Okay, so again, you need the purple handy dandy purple. So I'm going to go over the instructions. Page 1, super easy. Again, it's your reading. So you just read your story and you are going to answer those questions. Super easy. We've been doing this. Most of our packets have that. Page 2. These are the words that we just did. We just did them. I gave you the vowels. The vowels are there for you. You've got to put what letter comes, the beginning sound and the ending sound. So you're listening for beginning and ending. This is a cop, man, jug, log, rip, cut, sad, rod, hen, mat. Now, if you forget what those are, you can always rewind me, make me go backwards and rewind it, and then I will say those again. Or you can ask a family member to say those for you. Page number 3. Yes, it's a writing activity. What I want you to do is that's where you need your dictionary, because this is our first day of the week. You need your dictionary and you're going for V words. So you got to look up V words, and I want you to write me some stories about them. I'm using those words for V. So find V and then you're going to. So if I opened up my dictionary, and there is my V page. So you need to write words that are with V. Okay. Page number, I think I'm on 4. Page number 4. Yep, I am 4. Thank you, Hannah. Yes, page number 4. Exactly what we just did. This 10 frame plus this 10 frame, write your answer. Your answer. All they want is your answer. You don't need to write the math problem. You can write the answer, how much there is. Okay? So on your next one, you are going to, what number was I again, Hannah? What am I? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Page 5. It is your money. It is your money. You're just identifying your coins. You're just identifying your coin. Identifying means these are my pennies. My pennies are all going to be orange. So these are all going to be orange. So yes, you're going to need your colors. My nickels are all going to be blue. My dimes are all going to be green. So it kind of has the color code for it, and it shows you what they look like. So then you are going to color all those, and then you're going to put how many there are. We've been doing this a few times. This time there's 3 coins on there. There's 3 coins on there. So make sure that you get your 3 coins on there. And your last page for today is going to be writing the numbers that become before and after. Before and after. Now, when you look at these pages, you should be able to see right away what we need to do. So even though you're not able to read the instructions, or maybe you need your family to read those instructions, you should be able to look at that and say, you know what, there's a number in the middle, but there's not a number in front, and there's not a number behind, meaning it's going to be before and after. Before and after. Okay? And then that is your last page. So I know you're going to do amazing job on this. So this is your time to do everything in your packet. When you are done, make sure that you can put like a happy face on here so you know like this one's done. Because I'm going to be starting to talk to you guys, and I'm going to kind of want to see, we're going to talk together and you're going to show me what amazing things you're doing. So I'm super excited about talking with you guys and kind of seeing how everybody is doing with their work. Since I can't see it, that way you can kind of show me, and I'm excited about that. So you have an amazing day. Remember who loves you. Jesus loves you, and so do I. Bye.